Design thinking is an emergent new way of work in general. Right? It is how we might relate to the problems that we face, but also each other and our customers and other people who you might be related through your work. And what the framework gives you is a way of approaching these relationships with an open mind and a curiosity, rather than with fear or trepidation that might lead to people being stuck. These things don't promise you the results that they want. What it does promise you is a small progress, something that if you're paying attention to, you could find hope in, right? You could take the baby steps, but it doesn't result in a groundbreaking new innovation tomorrow. Right? These are the silver bullets that you need at work, so you can also be innovative like other big companies, right? But these companies aren't built overnight, and they're built on top of small habits. I think starting very small is one key, right? If you can start very small, something that you're already comfortable with, but something that you might be able to push others to join you, right? Something very simple and easy to do. Something like saying hello in the morning, right? Something that shows the people that you're trying to involve, or people yourself, something of a small reward for doing what you just did. Because design thinking is a kind of a framework full of small habits, and repeating the same thing over and over, that surprisingly results in something new, something surprising over time.
I believe that this training is really helpful for me, because design thinking at work is work for everyone, because not just only me have problem, but you have problem, everyone have problem. So we have to discover more, understand our problem well. Yeah.
And for me, as being manager, we need to have ideas. Without idea, we will get stuck. And with those ideas, we generate into projects, and then projects we generate into opportunities, and then generate into money and make a living. And besides this, being manager, we need idea so that we can teach, or we can introduce to our team members. So it's very important for us to join this training.
This session I have learned a lot. The thing is that how to express our idea. No matter what idea it is, we just collect all of the idea and pick up one and choose that work for you. I really highly recommend this training.
Yes, I would recommend this training to all managers, to all senior people.
Because just like I mentioned, we live in the society, we all have problems. So this is just the thing that just a reflection, self-reflection, to let you understand more about yourself and discover about your problem so that you can cope it.
Again, because it's the ideas. Without the idea, we cannot move. Without the idea, we have no initiative. And then without the idea, we cannot have innovation. So only innovation we make things move. So I recommend for those who are looking for new ideas, new projects, new initiative, come to the training. Because again, it helps a lot with our work and with our team. Thank you.